Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO at WorkMovr. Let me just talk to you about Zapier integration. Now, first of all, we think Zapier is a really great program, and it really helps. If you're not very familiar with coding APIs, Zapier is just a super deal. We love it. Okay, we don't use that as part of WorkMovr, but we do configure Zapier for some clients. Okay, and it's an excellent product, ideal for many use cases. So don't think anything negative about Zapier. At WorkMovr, we prefer to use Caspio REST APIs rather than Zapier for the following reasons. Okay, firstly, Zapier is not HIPAA compliant. Second, Zapier has a transactions per second limitation, where if you do too many transactions through Zapier at once, you may be losing data. It's difficult, but we have lost some data there, so we tend to avoid for that reason. But low volume applications is great. But mainly, it's a fire and forget component. So after you've sent something to Zapier, you lose control. So I'll give an example of where that's important here. So for instance, you can send an SMS through Twilio from Caspio using Zapier. Now, when you send that through Twilio, Twilio is clever enough to detect if the target phone is an old landline that cannot accept SMS messages. And so if you use Caspio REST APIs, which we do, we can pick up that message back from Twilio and never send an SMS to that landline again. But with Zapier, that useful information is lost. So, you know, be happy to use Zapier in lots of situations, but and we do configure it, but we never write Zapier integrations ourselves if we have a choice. We always use Caspio REST APIs. So thanks very much then. Bye-bye.